Have you ever tried signing into your Google account only to see the message? Your account has been disabled due to age restrictions? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to recover your disabled Google account due to age, step by step. By the end of this short guide, you'll know how to appeal, verify your age, and regain full access to your account in 2025. Let's get right into it. First, open any web browser on your device and go to support.google.com. This is Google's official help center where you can find solutions for nearly every account issue. Once the page loads, look for Google account and click on it. This section is dedicated specifically to account-related help. Now scroll down until you find the option that says Post to the Help Community. Click that and then choose Post a Question. A form will appear. In the first box, write something simple like, Request to appeal disabled Google account due to age verification. Keep it short and clear. That helps the community and support staff understand exactly what you need. In the next section, describe your situation in more detail. For example, you could write, My Google account was disabled because of an incorrect age setting. I'm old enough to meet Google's requirements and would like to submit an age verification appeal. Then, under the category dropdown, select Account Access and Recovery. This ensures your question reaches the right team. Click Next, and if you see options like Account Recovery or Other, choose the one that fits best, then continue. You'll also be asked to select the platform you're using, Android, iOS, or web. Choose whichever applies to you. Before posting, make sure to check the box that says Get emails when someone responds. That way, you'll be notified as soon as there's an update on your case. Once everything's ready, click Post. Now, this part is important. Be patient. You'll get a response from Google's community or support staff with further instructions. When your appeal is reviewed, Google may ask you to verify your age. This could include uploading a government-issued ID or using a credit card verification to confirm your date of birth. Simply follow the instructions carefully, and once your identity and age are confirmed, your Google account will be reactivated. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your age appeal and started the recovery process. Remember, always make sure your account information, especially your birth date, is accurate to avoid this issue in the future. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might be dealing with the same problem. I upload simple and effective tech guides every week, so stay tuned for more quick fixes like this one.